The gazelles might try to outswim the crocs if the grass looks greener on the other side. The crocs know where the gazelles prefer to cross and go to great trouble to maneuver into position. Heaving their massive bodies up the falls is hard work, but it just might be worth the effort. For each of the crocs, this hunt is critical. A gazelle is only enough food for one. Compelled to reach richer pastures, a few gazelles take the risk. These crocs are starving, and some might get to relieve their hunger. While the crocs feast, the gazelles make a run for it, but they fatally miscalculated. Each small gazelle quickly becomes a magnet for a swarm of hungry crocs. And there aren't enough gazelles to go around. Soon, unquenched appetites explode into heated rivalries. When the banquet is meager, the largest crocs secure the biggest mouthfuls. And they don't need table manners. These two did not even get a hoof. And a ravenous croc might try to bite through its rival's armor. The smaller one raises her head in submission.